set, and they're off and running. Early is taken by Matadora from the outside. It's Matadora, followed by Arazir by the rail. Ikaw Banyao running in between horses. And the mid-back stretch. It's Ikaw Banyao on the outside, followed by Arazir by the rail. Matador on the outside in third by 2.5 lengths. Aiden's Grace running in fourth. And Shine Again, entry number 2, and number 1 is Boardwalk. And at the far turn, the lead is taken over now by Arazir, followed by Ikaw Banyao on the outside. Matadora remains in third. Aiden's Grace running in fourth. Shine Again and Boardwalk. But it's still the favorite Arazir in the lead. Is Arazir by the rail. Ikaw Banyao on the outside in second. Matadora remains in third by 3.5 lengths. And closing in fourth is Aiden's Grace. The last bend for home, it is still Arazir in the lead by the rail on the outside. Ikaw Banyao, Matador on the further outside, and Aiden's Grace. But it's still Arazir in the lead, followed by Ikaw Banyao by the rail in second. Matadora, Aiden's Grace, and Boardwalk, Shine Again. And finally, at the fair line, it's a cinch for Arazir, Ikaw Banyao, Matadora, Boardwalk, Aiden's Grace, and Shine Again.
346